Now I'll solve example 4 using substitution. In substitution, first I want to solve one of the equations for one of the variables. So I'll use equation 1. Here, equation 1 is x plus y equals 44. If I subtract y from both sides, I get x equals 44 minus y. Now that I've solved for x in terms of y, anywhere I see an x in the second equation, I can replace it with this expression in terms of y. So equation 2 becomes 5 times 44 minus y plus 10y equals 350. Now I have an equation that just has y's in it. I solve for y. First I distribute 5 times 44. 5 times 44 is 220. 5 times negative y is negative 5y plus 10y equals 350. I want to take everything that has a y and keep it on one side, everything that doesn't have a y and put it on the other. In this case, this 220 should go to the other side. It doesn't have any y's, so I subtract 220 from both sides. And on the left, I have negative 5y plus 10y. That's going to be a positive 5y. And on the right, I'll have 350 minus 220. That's 130. I then divide both sides by the coefficient on y, which is 5. This cancels with this, and I get y equals 130 divided by 5, which is 26. Since y is a number of dimes, I know I have 26 dimes. Once I've solved for one of the variables, stick it into the equation where I've solved for the other variable to find out what that value is. X equals 44 minus y. I now know that y is 26. So that gives me that x equals 44 minus 26, 18. So my solution is going to be x equals 18 and y equals 26. I have 18 nickels and 26 dimes. Note, this question asks how many nickels and how many dimes are in the bag. I can't just give this point. The answer you should write out is there are 18 nickels and 26 dimes.